we first started Channel 199, we were all about the big stunts. And we just got the builds done and didn't really think about it. And we've had so many questions on how did you guys make a canal jumping into the airbag? And where did the water come from? And how did you get it up to the top of the hill and when you dug a moat? So we're gonna go back, and we had some footage that the boys filmed as they're kind of getting this stuff all set up. It's one of my favorite episodes and something that we always kind of skip past. And that's the community, camaraderie, the hell, and the work that it takes to make these stunts happen. Enjoy. No, but Channel 199, it's all about, if you say you're gonna do something, you gotta do it. So be careful what you say. And right now, we're gonna get Jim to say everything.
I'll do this one if you don't wanna do this one.
All right. No, you said this is you.
Perfect.
I have confirmation of Sea-Doo and
Jet boat.
yes.
We're gonna live forever!
This is not gonna be fast enough.
That's what I'm saying.
So you're building a wooden runway over the concrete, and you're using Flex Seal glue to seal it up.
I just want this thing to hold water, and if it holds water, I'm going to be pretty impressed, and I'm going to really believe all those infomercials.
Just remember to flex glue it 180% more. So that means the tube before must have been like a 6 ounce. And now it's 28 ounce.
Some of the things I get myself into on these jobs, that was pretty awesome. Like, I don't know, anything that you basically wake up and think of, like, oh, let's just go do that. And then you're just like, damn it, why did I even think of that? Because now we're sitting here doing it. It's gonna be awesome at the end of the day, but it's a lot of work. I don't know, I've never built a swimming pool before or anything like this. And I don't know if it's gonna work. I think it is. So I think we'll learn a lot from this, and then we'll have way dumber ideas after we do this thing. All I know is Nino and I are gonna be enjoying this on Monday when we fill it with water. So we're just gonna kick back and hang out and have a couple drinks. Framing this last end cap in, and I got one down there, and then we're done. We can fill this thing with water here soon.
You caulked all these seams, Nate, but I don't know if it's gonna be watertight enough.
Well, you know those infomercials, that stuff called Flex Seal?
Old Texas tea. Old black gold in there.
I love how y'all went like fully in depth with the infomercial. I'm like, well, if it'll seal a boat, surely it'll seal our moat.
Do you need to seal the screen door on your battleship? Does your above ground wood frame pool need to be sealed? Flex seal it.
I mean, you fell for it no matter what. Coating the whole thing or just the seams or?
I'm pretty sure Nate said just the seams, but he's got like 8 buckets of this. So I think you might have mixed up square feet, linear feet again. So
Yeah, just like the gallons of
we might be going the whole thing.
86,000 gallons.
Yeah.
Well, I don't do volume. I don't do math.
I know. Whoa, whoa, get away. Get away from me with that.
Black gold.
Squeegee would work better.
Next thing you know, Jed's a millionaire. Kim folks said, Jed, move away from there. California's the place you ought to be. Jed's packed up the family.
We're gonna waste this unless we use a squeegee.
Kind
You
of.
just don't want to ruin the shop squeegee. It just will
No,
push
I
it.
don't.
Yeah, I'll buy you a new squeegee.
A squeegee's made out of rubber. All it's gonna do is get more.
Get more better.
It's gonna get
Yeah.
more better because this is like gonna,
Yeah.
it's gonna protect it. The water will
Well,
just be
you're
like,
right,
oh
but-
no, it's got Flex Seal on it, and it'll get right out of the shop. Do you think I could use your squeegee maybe?
No. Not when you got this kind of entertainment going on.
Hey Nate, you think if we just got a Roomba and let it drive around on here, it would have done the job for us?
I don't know, Roomba have squeegees on the bottom of it? That's something we should probably try. Get like 6 Roombas in here and let them go.
Like battle bots?
What?
Last Roomba standing.
Butts, Flex Seal butts.
Who gums up first?
Yeah, just at the water park today. Just finished up working on the lazy river that we're installing here at Pastranaland. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I don't know. When I woke up though today and it was like pouring, I was like, oh shit. Hope this Flex Seal had some time to dry. Well, that's good. It's like it's beading off of this stuff.
It's holding water.
What do we got in there right now?
Yeah, we can see how not level we are.
Well, that's just on the end, but that's fine.
Well, we can call it the pool company.
Damn, we know how to make wood pools now.
Yep. We start going into business.
All right, here's what we got going on. We basically want to try to make like a V, like for the boat to kind of like come up in and stay on the ramp and kind of keep the boat from going one way or the other. So cut these, probably hard to tell in there, but this is a 40-foot radius, so I cut a 40-foot radius on all this stuff, and there's a 5-degree bevel on here, or it's actually 6, so it's gonna V down to the center when we put plywood and the resi stuff on, and we're just gonna, these are our cutoffs from some of the other boards, so we're just kind of getting to use a bunch of scrap stuff that we definitely try never to throw anything out here, but we keep thinking of different methods and things that we need to do, and Nino and I will talk it over on what our best guesstimate is on trying to make this thing happen. As with never been done stuff before, which happens all the time over here, it's you just gotta kind of take your best guess sometimes, and sometimes it don't work, and a lot of times it does that. So.
Moved from idea to paper to there it is. And it always is like, oh, that's a little bigger than what we intended. But it's not. It's just like, when you put it in front of yourself, it's like, on paper, oh yeah, that would work.
Way
10 feet, and then we go there, and then, oh no, that's really 10 feet. Like that's, so yeah, I mean, it's.
So I wanted the ramp to be 8 foot tall. They're like, it's 10 foot, but nobody's accounting for the 2 feet of water that the boat's gonna be in, like planing on top of. So it's an 8 foot tall ramp. But it looks
from water level.
But it looks pretty damn intimidating when you're sitting here going, this is bigger than I thought. Well, Travis always says that about me too. Like I'll explain something to him and he'll be like, yeah, Nate just makes it 2 or 3, 4 feet bigger. And I'm like, I really don't, but I'm thinking about a lot of different factors. So.
He can't say anything.
No, I know.
His number spectrum is out there.
I love building stuff that, of course, I've never built, but it's even more fun building stuff that has never been built ever. I mean, people jump boats and stuff, but no one jump a boat like this before.
I think it's gonna lock in there like a slot car.
Oh, never mind, you can use the drop. This is insane. I feel good though. I'm pretty stoked that this is like coming together. I mean, I guess my only worry is we don't have like a good setup to do this. We're always like, you know, rigging stuff together to make some crazy thing happen here. We need 200 more feet of runway and we could really do this right, but this is the property we have and we make it work, and it's pretty fun every single time, just trying to work through like the issues or different things that happen every time. It's hilarious. So I think people are gonna show up and go, what the hell are you guys thinking? Which, that's a good thing.
What's happening?
We're Travis and the whole crew just seeing this for the first time, so I always loved everybody's like first like impressions of stuff. It's awesome.
Why is it so small?
What? What's small? Did you see it from the other side?
The gap.
Oh, we can put the bag wherever you want.
Makes sense. I like what you're thinking. We can move the bag.
Nate, I know you know rent and stuff, but I did this with you for a while. And that's
Especially in here.
Dude, what's that flex
The
seal?
problem is we don't have much of a run.
Is this?
Yeah, what is this?
Is this holding it? This is.
Dude, how great. Like, so Nino and I are putting this stuff in and we're like walking on it. Feel how smooth this glass the bottom is.
Whoa. Is that what spray on Flex Seal?
No, we just like took like poured buckets out and just squeegeed it, and we're like walking around.
Squeegee?
Yeah, we broke a squeegee.
Oh man. Did you tell him?
He doesn't know it's broken. There's the handle on the ground over there.
So this is all Flex Seal?
This is all Flex Seal. How insane is this stuff?
But it's actually like we just got. Well, now we know how much rain we got. That's. So we
It's
got
like 2 inches of
we
rain.
got 2 inches of rain today. That's nice. Well, at least it holds water.
Enough to please Kendra.
So who's jumping this? And what's?
Testing it yet?
Well, we got to get water in it first.
Oh.
If it keeps raining and the stream gets up, we'll just pump water straight in. Otherwise, we're going to have to call a pool company to back up and
What
go.
about the fire? We know the fire department.
This one's out of control.
This is a boat jump.
Boat ramp.
Boat ramp.
Yeah.
I've seen a boat ramp before.
Yeah, they've been doing it wrong the whole time. This is how you launch your boat.
And is Jim? Are you driving?
This is the test ramp. I heard it gets worse.
No, it gets better.
We're testing here, and then we'll do the real thing somewhere
I
else.
hate y'all's tests. I'm gonna fail.
I was at Travis's and we were driving his little boats, his those, I don't know, the little prop boats he has. And then I'm like, man, you should get a jet boat. He's like, yeah, I'm already have one getting built or whatever. And I'm like, I just couldn't sleep that night. And this is what I envisioned for that. And I called him. It's like, hey, when's that jet boat gonna be done? I don't know why. I'm like, do you mind if we ruin it the first time we use it? I mean, I don't want to or whatever. And he's like, what do you got? And I'm like, that wasn't a yes or a no. This thing's here in front of us now. And I'm like really, really stoked that it's sitting here.
Dude, it's sweet. I know
And
it's not a lot.
that
but
man
you guys
let
might
me
want to pound it.
build
Look,
this
hey,
thing.
I still haven't given a yes yet, but I think we're pretty far into the budget for a no.
The best returned all this lumber in pieces. He hasn't even seen the boat yet or gotten to drive it, and may never get to drive it.
This was going to be a fun project for the girls, and now it turned.
They can jump it. That's fine.
Yeah.
No,
They want to test?
No.
They'll go even faster. They got a better shot. They're like 100 pounds lighter.
So this air hose is exactly 100 feet long. So, oh, we're almost out of gas too. This air hose is 100 feet long. So this point to point, that's kind of roughly how long our runway is. So he knows how fast he can get from him to me, 100 feet. So if you hear when it takes off, that kind of stutter like rev limiter, it's because the jet is basically sucking air. It's pushing so much power. It's 300 horsepower, and it's just having blow by until it actually gets going.
But that was 33.
Okay, well, I'm out of gas. It's low fuel.
All right, let me just go this way, turn around.
Now he's gonna have fun.
You're kidding! Dude! Oh, I'm drenched!
Yeah,
You think you were gonna get wet, huh?
yeah.
That's pretty good. I mean, it's right about where we thought it was gonna be, like 30. I think the last time I saw 33.
From the top, come down.
But a couple times when you go to get on it, it's got a little bit of like torque steer to the right. So we only got about a foot on each side of buffer. So if we can keep it in the canal, we'll be all right.
What's happening?
getting water in the canal. So dude just got here and we just got done with our boat testing and whatnot, and I think we're gonna be able to get up to about 30 miles an hour, but the boat's like driving like it's on ice. So that's pretty scary because you know, thinking about it, the boat's gonna be up on top of the water when it planes out. So I don't know if you screw up and whatever. That's what I was trying to tell Nino, that we should just make this V like the width of the ramp, because I don't know if the boat gets sketchy and you miss that part of the V, you're pretty screwed. You're going off of the ramp, but it's going to be a good clip either way.
Chad got a new pool, so he thought we'd use it for a workout this morning, going back to the course, doing some laps. He's a little shallow, we'll let it go up a little bit. I'll feel good in about an hour.
Yeah. You think open face or closed face?
Closed face, for sure.
Think so?
Yes.
That one's been in the water more times, though. It likes the water.
But you have a lot to hit your head on.
Nate?
I'm always gonna say closed face, but it's gonna be way cooler with an open face.
What's the game plan for you?
Oh, we're gonna try to launch this thing into the airbag and just see how she flies. We don't really know. Never seen a boat hit a wood ramp before, so we're scientists pretty much, doing the research and development. We're kind of like pioneers, like Lewis and Clark.
It's a horrible idea. Horrible. Dude, Piranha is the freaking man. So Jim York was gonna do this, and then Duffy was like, I wanna do it, and Duffy saw it was like, hell no. And Piranha's like, whatever, I got it. I don't have enough information to make an informed assessment of what could go wrong. Does that make sense? Like,
Yeah, no, yeah, I agree.
I don't think it's not that big, it's not that far, but there's the weight, and it's just, I don't know what's gonna happen.
After testing the boat in the water, if you were there for that, you'd probably feel a little more comfortable.
Good.
I think they're looking really good, to be honest. As far as sketchy things go, and like I've seen terrible things built here, this is actually really well constructed and it looks pretty thought out. I'm kind of proud of my friends right now. I think it's just gonna be cool.
You're jumping a boat on land.
Yeah, is there a problem?
No. Logic makes sense. Oh, safety first.
Yeah.
Huh. I'm gonna get the hell out of here.
Although he is just gonna pin it,
manifest and put him in the middle. I don't want to watch. Let's put him in the middle. We're not watching.
Who's going?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah! Yeah!
How was it? How'd it feel? Felt good, but like I said, when I saw the bag going under me, I was like, uh-oh.
That was amazing, and you are the gosh dang man.
How do we get this out of here?
If you thought this episode was crazy, wait until you see next week's episode. We took a jet boat and did something that absolutely shouldn't have been done. I'm in the doghouse, but it was totally worth it.
That's a nice couch.
Yeah, I should've wanna try.